What the heck, man?
Hey, man, you gotta put some gas in here. It's hot as f. I want no AC right now.
This guy is supposed to paint my truck, right? I told him to come about 2 hours ago.
Oh, I ran out of gas. I was going too fast. You have a capless gas fuel system adapter?
You think we have time for this crazy nonsense you're talking about?
Why don't we get a...
I have a hose with the thing on it.
Let's try it.
This is what happens when Kiki's Customs hires random people.
Professional.
Look at that. Saving the day. This is exactly why I said come 2 hours earlier, man. Now we're here, and this is just the start of our day.
Alright, it's 10:15. How do you feel?
I told him to come at 8, so shit better be coming out mint fresh paint job. This guy's a fucking
Where the fuck did you find this guy?
I don't know, and he's supposed to paint my car too. This is not a good combo at all.
Where did I find this guy? Holy shit, he's in the middle.
Bro, go right. That's not the lane. Daniel, you know this YouTube video is gonna be all about you now. It was supposed to be about my truck. I just realized I didn't bring my license plate for the back or the front. So, we're riding pretty dirty right now.
That's our painter.
We need to hire him ASAP. Get this guy a contract. Put him on the team. Let's go.
Yes, sir. They should sign me to NASCAR.
And there's like this part where it curves in and there's like a metal railing, and I was like this close to hitting the metal. I was like,
You're close to hitting a lot of metal things out in the freeway. Look, he made me spend almost $100 getting more pearl because he didn't get the right color in the first time.
this is gonna be so nice.
Like, I was paying this guy for the job. I'm doing the job right now. What the f, man?
So sexy with the knife. Wow, it's crazy.
Do you think he can dance better than you?
Him? Yeah, of course. He dances.
Practicing for Magic Mike.
That's an hour gone.
Send me the channel.
Oh, I'm gonna take a nap.
What are you doing, my boy?
I'm trying to get my keys out of my
Your
pocket.
painter's weird.
Oh.
Professional. I like your Halo mask. This guy, I don't know where I found this man.
Did you see it? You.
I don't know, man, but you got about 20 minutes left to paint this stuff. Now the real question is it gonna come out clean or is it gonna come out bad?
Can you hear me? We could be legend. I have nothing to lose. Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up. Wake up. I know what's real. Escape reality.
Well,
It's okay. It's gonna be fine.
alright, fix it.
My hand's stuck. I need another cup and lid.
Top?
A lid, yeah.
I think we're at the oh shit stage right now, huh? Oh shit! No time in the booth. Ran out of paint. At least he knows what he's doing. My man's over here ran out of paint. The roof is almost done, but we have more paint. Put a bunch of reducer in there. So that's the reason people paint their hoods black or their roof black, because they run out of paint when they're doing it. Okay. Hey, take a step outside the booth real quick, because Pretty good, man. Pretty good. Pretty good. Look at that.
How'd I do?
Just throw that piece of pizza on the side right now, yeah? My man over here, I know he can do an amazing job.
This can't go on camera.
It's already on camera though.
Do you like the color though?
And the color looks good, but now we have two colors. We got blue, dark blue, and light blue.
Hey, you know what came out f***ing hard?
What?
The bumper.
If you take about like 10 steps back,
And you squint your eyes and make
and you
No,
stand in
from
the dark,
what
it looks kind of good.
From here, it looks f***ing hard.
it does.
But from every other angle, it looks like shit. Let me get a picture from here. It looks good.
Hey,
Hey, you guys block the dry spots over there.
I'll give you this one.
Nice. That shit was hard.
On camera, it looks blue. In person, it looks green. Oh my god, this guy is coming back. It's on crack.
So I've been doing push-ups every day.
Yeah. My painter, again, he brought his no paint guns.
You have one.
I don't know why he does this to me. I found some lighter fluid. How much? Tell me what. Oh, I think it's working actually. This is a Kiki's Customs moment. If this works.
Don't try this at home.